resources. They collect too much taxes from you people. But that money is spent on the useless program. And that is what we are going to fight. I want to ask you, the people of kitgum, and I want you to reflect here. Look at how many RDCs we have here in Kyokka. We have 4 RDCs in one district. Each RDC has 3 million per month. Now let me ask you a question. What is the purpose of that RDC?
I want the wife to take my car away. What is your problem? I don't want who's going to pay him. I gave him my money. I want it there.
No, here where?
I'm saying the PC. I'm not living here. I'm going there. You are living that money.
They are coming. They are coming. Let's be here on the road.
I want to enter it.
Let them come.
I'm not going to address them from the road.
No, let's come and we will address here.
You are young man, but you are living there.
They have come. Let's go here. They have come. But they are not going back. They are already here.